If you want to connect your Apple AirPods with your Google Pixel 9a, so that's quite easy to do. So on our Google Pixel, first of all, let's swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Let's hold on our Bluetooth tab and let's press pair new device. We'll get a message that our Bluetooth is turned on. Now let's open up the lid of our AirPods so they will start glowing with the blue. Let's turn them over and here we will locate this round white button. Let's hold our finger on it and let's hold it until our headphones will start glowing with the white color. When they're constantly glowing with it, here they are. We've located our AirPods in the available devices list. Now simply tap on them to pair, confirm your choice by pressing pair, and basically that's it. Now they are active and you can use them, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.